How to tag people in Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can tag people in your Instagram story. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, let's open up our Insta. Then after that, you can just swipe to the right to go to your story section. So from here, add a story. Select a picture or video from your gallery, or you can simply take a picture as well. After that, you can make your edits, whatever you want to edit and everything. You can add stickers if you want, you can use filters and everything. And after you've done that, what you can then do is to add people on your story. You can tap to write a caption. And from here, you can give the add sign right like this and add a name. So you can choose someone from your suggestions that was shown and simply do that. And if you leave it right here, that'll add, tag the person in this story. You'll also see the mention option right here. If you tap on mention, you'll get these options again. So you can do that as well. And yeah, those are the way. Now there is also another way which you can do so when after you've uploaded the story. So let this story be uploaded, and while this uploads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after this story uploads, you will need to head over to its settings. So there you can see it's posted. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right that says more. Then from here you'll see add mentions. If you tap on add mentions, now you can add people after you've already posted the story as well. And with that, you have just, you know, tagged people in your Instagram story. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.